This is Karkidaka Kanji, Kerala's traditional medicinal porridge made especially during the monsoon. Rooted in Ayurveda, it's designed to detox the body and strengthen immunity during the damp Karkidakam season. The base is Njavara rice and green gram, easily digestible and rich in nutrients. A mix of herbs like black pepper, cumin, dry ginger, and fenugreek help boost digestion and fight inflammation. Coconut milk adds healthy fat and makes the porridge smooth and comforting. The tempering of ghee, garlic, and shallots adds both flavor and medicinal value. It's best taken warm on an empty stomach for better absorption and effect. Made in Karkidakam, this kanji can be enjoyed all year round as a healing, nourishing meal.